What's up, guys? We got a 2016 Chevy Camaro. They busted the window for the customer last night, and they were trying to steal the car, so they gave us a call in the morning, and we came out and installed what we recommend. Basically, we recommend a shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm, but they're going to get that in the future. And normally we always put a GPS tracker as well, but they're going to get that in the future as well. But we did install an immobilizer on their vehicle, and the way it works is if you don't press this button here before you start the car, it kills the starter. So and the immobilizer activates itself 30 seconds after you shut off the car. So when you shut off the car, you don't have to do anything. Just walk away, close the door, and hit lock on the fob. When you come back, it's when you need to press this button first before you start the car. So it's already been the 30 seconds. I'm going to show you. I'm going to press it. Nothing happens. The starter doesn't turn over or nothing. So I'm going to go ahead and press the fob first. And now it will start. Okay. All right. And that's the way it works. So when you turn off the car, 30 seconds, it will automatically engage itself, and then you won't be able to start the car. So let's say somebody busts out the window and they try to hook up a laptop to clone another remote or download the software to get your car started and leave the laptop laying in the seat while they drive away with your car. This thing, the immobilizer won't allow them to start the car because it's separate from everything else. So this immobilizer kit does come with 2 fobs. And let's say you want to put the system on valet mode because you're going to take it to a shop to get any work done. You're going to hit the bottom button. And what happens is you're able to start the car 10 times before it automatically comes out of valet mode. And say you get the car back sooner than expected. And you want to go ahead and take it out of valet right away. You're going to hit the bottom top, which is the opposite of top, bottom on valet, bottom, top, and that takes it out of valet. And when you shut the car, in 30 seconds, it will automatically engage itself again. So yeah, this we do have these immobilizers for a lot of the cars like Dodge, Challenger, Charger. Those are the ones that they steal in the most. Camaros, trucks, F-150, the Chevy line, the TRX. Those are the hot items right now for the past 3 or 4 years already. We're located in Miami, Florida. We do have mobile service, so anybody who needs the system, just give us a call. If you're out of state, feel free to give us a call, and we can guide you how to get this installed as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.